Hello, hi. Welcome to new video regarding tips when you are starting a new job. Lot of new graduates, lot of people after finishing their MBA engineering or ACCA or before coming to UA, they ask tips what they should do after their graduation when they are searching for a job or when they are starting a new job. So I want to share a few tips with you. Most importantly, like once you finish your graduation, it's like lot of people will advise you, will suggest you do this, do that, apply there, go there, or all sorts of unasked suggestions will come. But you should not you should decide for yourself where you want to go, what you want to, where you want to work, and what you want to do. This decision, you can review from your past experience, like what you like to do and where you want to do. So don't take advice from people, but ultimately you should decide for yourself where you want to work. Secondly, make a target list. First, target list for industries, which industries you want to work. For example, telecommunication, waste management, and there are other, tobacco, FMCG, and all this. Which industry you want to target. After making a list for your target industry, make a target list for companies, which companies you want to work. For example, in FMCG, Unilever is there, Almara is there, a lot of companies are there. So ultimately the goal is to make, you can say, top 10 companies within your industry, which industry you want to work. Fourth is, after you have make a list, do a research on these companies, find out where they are, when is their hiring is starting, which roles they are looking for. So after that, get maximum information you can get from their website, from their LinkedIn pages, from Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and all this. I would suggest LinkedIn. Take maximum information, add their people who are working there, so it will help you, it will give you an idea. After that, you will get a lot of interview calls if you go for there, and if you get an offer. So before joining a company, you should meet your new boss, because that is very important. Choose your new boss very carefully, because that guy is responsible for your future growth, for your career growth. That guy will set a direction for your career. And after that, once you have joined, you should always ask for more responsibility. Take your job very seriously. You see, like whatever job it has been assigned to you, do that job, and after that always ask for more responsibility. Maybe first time, second time they will not give you, but keep on asking. And once you have more responsibilities, remember, responsibilities and rewards go hand in hand. So more responsibility, obviously there will be more respect, more reward for you. And last, do your job quickly and well. Once any job is assigned to you, this like you should establish a good image in your company. Like whatever job they assign to you, do it well, do it carefully, do it well, and do it quickly. Like there should be that you need to establish that image in your boss mind, in your company, that if you want to do a job, you can assign to anybody. But if you want to do a job well, quickly, fast, then they should choose you. So all these suggestions, while you are starting a new job, it will help you. Let me know in your comments what you think. Is it helpful, or is there any other advice or tip? And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Take care.